don't know about you, but when I finished my 200-hour yoga teacher training, I didn't feel very equipped in the business side of being a yoga teacher. And as a yoga teacher, you are an entrepreneur. You are responsible for marketing yourself and what you have to offer. You're oftentimes taking payments from people for things like private sessions. You also may be creating liability forms or websites. And there's all these things that are really important to help you get out there and to run your business. I had almost 20 years experience in the accounting profession before I became a yoga teacher. And so I was exposed to people at high levels of organizations. I worked for the Boy Scouts, the YMCA. I was in senior management, and I was working with people who did fundraising and marketing and legal and insurance. And so I have an interesting perspective that I think will help you with the nuts and bolts of being a yoga teacher and running your business. So I hope you will take this course and get some great information that will help you as you start your journey, and things that you'll be able to just think about instead of when they come your way ahead of time, so that you can be prepared and be able to grow your business and make a living doing something that you love.